Okay, guys, yesterday I'll be following up with this particular asset called FX Volume 80, and of course, I did some analysis on it, and of course, we're going to be checking out how it's all played out at the end of the day. Okay, so we will be checking this out together right now. The main purpose of this is just for you to understand how to analyze your assets and make some good amount of profit right from there. Okay, and of course, guys, most especially for those of you who are using the same trading tool, just the one I am using right now, called the 3M Trend Milker Trading Indicator. Okay, this will help you to analyze better. Okay, so this is very, very important. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, and you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is right there in the description box below this video. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. This particular asset is called the FX volume 80. Okay, and I am now on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, I decided to use this time frame because I want to trade for long and I want to have a better look at the charts. Okay, so this actually started an uptrend right from here. Okay, if you should notice, it was on downtrend before. Check it out. Right from here, it started a downtrend. We got the downtrend signal and of course a sell signal, and it came till it got to this particular region. Try to go back into an uptrend around here, but was unable to go above this. So it had a pullback, but it didn't get fully. I mean, it didn't get to the last support zone fully before picking up again. So it started ranging around there, and it gave us the uptrend signal and of course the buy signal. So it was not stable at the beginning, but it later on broke out from here and it went on fully buy trend, and it got to this resistance zone. So I have been following up with this for a while. Okay, I actually expected it to get to this region and go back into a downtrend. Okay, but it didn't go back, and of course it broke out above it and to get to this particular spot. Like I've always been telling you, there can be breakout above the resistance or the support zone. Okay, it's part of the game. Okay, so once there is a breakout like that, you don't have any other thing to do than for you to follow up with the trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so right here, it was unable to break out above the trend, gave us the M vibes, and of course, it gave us the downtrend right here. So I was actually, if you should notice, here is a trend line that I was following. I was actually expecting it to break out below this trend line. You can see it got there around there. It didn't break out. It went up. Got there again. Didn't break out. It went up. Okay. Each time you see a very strong trend like that, just use trend line to follow up with it. Okay, so immediately it breaks out below the trend line, then you should know that once it is properly broken, then definitely it should go the below the the other direction. Okay, so you can see this is where it finally broke out. It didn't break out even here and went back up, and it broke out below it here. So if you had come in around here, you would have made a lot of profit right from here. Okay, you can see if you had come in around here and put your stop loss somewhere here, check it out. It sold till it got to this region, and right here it had another pullback. And do you know the reason for this? Because right here used to be a resistance zone before, and it has turned back to be a support zone because it has been broken around there. So it was unable to break out from there easily. Okay, so it ranged around there for a while, just the way you are seeing it. Okay, so if you should notice, it's just range around there for a while before trying it out again, and of course broke out below it at this point, and it's selling right now. Okay, so at this point, if you should do look at my analysis, if you are coming around there, this is your first TP and it got there successfully, and this is the second TP, and you can see it has gotten there already even before this pullback. Okay, in case yours didn't close, it is going there again, and of course it will touch it again. And if it breaks out from here, then it will be coming to this part. Okay, so this is very, very important. I pull out this signal in the Telegram channel, and of course, if for those of you that actually pick the signal, then definitely you should be in huge profit at this point. Okay, so guys, that is how it rolls. That is how you can analyze your asset easily and use it to make some good amount of profitable trades for yourself right from there. I will be stopping right from here. If you have any question about this charts or this analysis, this assets, or even the trading tool I am using, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number will be there in the description box below this video. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.